Lesson 8: AI-based creativity, images, video, and text. Generative artificial intelligence, GAI, is not limited to text creation. In recent years, this field has expanded to include the generation of images, video, and music. Tools such as DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion allow a user to generate unique images based solely on textual descriptions. Programs like Runway and Synthesia enable AI-based video creation, while models like Jackbox by OpenAI are capable of generating original music based on existing musical styles. These developments are transforming the creative world, allowing individuals with no prior experience to produce rich and complex content at the click of a button. These models are based on deep learning, where neural networks learn patterns from millions of images, videos, and songs. The quality and quantity of training data directly affect the model's ability to generate reliable and diverse content. A model trained on a wide variety of examples will be able to generate more creative and diverse outputs, whereas a model trained on limited or homogeneous data will suffer from bias and be constrained in its ability to produce innovative content. For example, if a model is trained only on images of dogs, it will be able to generate dog images based on what it has seen, but it will not be able to generate images of cats, horses, or any other animal not included in its training set. This means that generative AI does not invent from nothing, but rather recombines learned patterns to generate new content based on accumulated training data. For instance, when a user asks DALL-E to generate an image of a rainbow-colored horse with wings, the model does not create the image randomly. It merges features of horses, wings, and rainbow colors based on example it has encountered. The result may appear original and creative, but it is always a derivative of the data the model has been trained on. This field is not limited to artists and designers. More and more businesses are adapting generative AI for commercial purposes. Advertising agencies produce entire campaigns using AI-generated images and video, reducing both cost and production time. Gaming companies use image generation models to create new characters and environments. In publishing, authors use AI tools to visualize characters and design book covers. Even in science and medicine, AI systems help generate medical images based on existing scans, supporting doctors in analyzing complex medical conditions. Alongside its many advantages, there are also significant challenges. One of the central concerns is copyright ownerships. Who owns a creation generated by AI? This question is still unresolved legally in many countries. In addition, there is a risk of harmful or deceptive uses of this technology. For example, creating fake images, deepfake, that mislead or support fraud. Responsible use of those tools requires awareness of both their capabilities and risks, along with a clear understanding of how to integrate them ethically and safely. The tools available today allow anyone to become a content creator, even without traditional design or video editing skills. In the next lesson, we will explore the impact of generative AI on the world of work and examine how it can be integrated to improve workflows in organizations and companies.